Hey guys, it's Mick, and I didn't even choose my phone, my kit. Why didn't I choose my? Welcome to Skywars. I don't know why I said welcome. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! I'm already dead.
Bullseye.
Hey guys, it's Mick.
No.
And welcome to Skywars. Team, we're on hypixel.
Hello.
I'm with the same person who kicked off my Skywars server. I mean, server? No. Oh, man.
Oh, dang it. I grabbed it, but it didn't actually do it.
Dude, I've got an axe for you.
I've
got a
a
question
wooden
to
axe.
axe you.
I got a diamond axe.
Oh. You actually grabbed it, and for some reason, you looted everything else.
I did. Oh no, I put the stuff back in the chest. I put the good armor back in the I'll go over to the other island and I'll grab some OP stuff.
And you'll die.
Yeah, I got knocked off the edge by a snowball. Whoops.
And everything's gone.
Yep.
You know what? This is what I'm gonna do.
Grab some items, get to the middle, and grab all the epic stuff. Yes! No, you died. Oh.
I like you're like, yes, no.
What the heck is this? Oh, this is Skywars. Okay, that's good. As well. Oh, give me the bottle of enchanting, because that stuff is good. Give me this chest. Yes, I got all the good stuff. Oh,
nope.
Yeah.
I got a TNT sharpness sword again.
But I got a diamond sword.
And a
Right,
sharpness.
I'm gonna go this time without getting knocked off the edge by some evil troller who trolls everybody. Someone just fell off the edge then. I'm so gonna be trolled. Ah, heck. I'm gonna be trolled. I'm gonna be spleefed. Trolled, whatever you wanna call it.
Dude, jump. Haha.
Right.
Just jump.
Loot all the chests. Oh no, that one's already looted.
Diamond apples.
Golden apples. Diamond.
I retextured the diamond apple.
Potion of swiftness, thank you. I should have done it on both.
You put it on me as well. Don't worry.
I did? Oh, okay.
How do you get down here? I want down.
You can't.
Wait, you can.
Right, check stuff. Right, let's read Genie versus.
I'm not enchanted.
Read Genie.
Please don't wake me from this nightmare. Please don't wake me from this nightmare.
And you're a little baby.
Everyone on the internet heard that, by the way.
You're a baby girl.
So let me sleep. I'll die
Hey,
my
don't-
weight.
wait,
When I'm
I
already
have something
dead.
for you, I have something
How
for
much
you,
more
I have
can I
something for you.
take, nightmare?
Oh, spank you very much.
Please don't wake me from this nightmare.
These are the worst. Like, the stone sword with sharpness 1, it's only 6.25 attack damage, which is 1 less than a regular diamond sword.
Have you got a diamond sword?
I mean, it's a bit less. No.
I can troll. Oh, you can't troll your own teammate.
Yay, guess what?
What? Haha.
That's better. This stone sword is better than a regular axe. Come on. Oh, yes. Go for it. We gotta win. I've won like 5 times only on this.
Only 5 times? I've won like once, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Oh no. No, don't kill me. Don't murderize me. I'm so terrible at Skywars.
Did you see that?
No, I didn't.
I killed 2 people.
Good.
And then got hit and I fell off a cliff. Apparently a 2-block high cliff.
Okay.
If you saw that, it would have been so intense.
No.
Oh,
I
wait,
killed.
why am I with this gangster
I
kitty?
died.
Why am I with gangster kitty?
I died when someone else died.
Why am I why am I? I don't want to be good with.
Died by the
I don't want to be with. Bye, gangster kitty.
Doesn't make sense. Starting in.
Another time to murder your
Just take it.
children. Yeah. And your baby.
You can change the color if you get a kit to change color. Yes, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. You can have those snowballs in the chest there to troll people with.
Remember, I'm gonna be 12. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Right, let's troll people.
Power to bow with
Start trolling.
arrows.
I want to troll these guys. I want to troll those guys.
I've got a power to bow with arrows, so I can actually troll as much as I freaking want.
Just wait till he starts building and troll. Dang it! I almost got him.
Bye.
He was on the very edge.
Hi, bye. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Troll. Lol. Oh lol.
I thought there was someone else.
Lol.
Holy crap, I almost died because I thought you were someone else. I thought you were some unicorn in Lear.
Ah! Snowball. He tried to snowball you as you just got here. Right, I'm gonna build my platform. Hopefully they can't do any damage to us or whack us in our sleep.
There's someone
Someone
Watch out.
coming? I only have an axe as a weapon!
No, I wasn't
Wooden axe!
Avenge! I avenged you. I barely took any damage.
Can you see me?
No. Ah! I almost died. And I'm in the middle. Ooh! Question. Diamond apples?
I'm right in front of your face.
Cool. Can I murder? I keep almost falling off cliffs!
I just fell off in spectator mode, except I'm not in spectator mode, I'm in invisible creative mode with super speed.
Ooh, spawn skeleton.
Oh yes, now you have the spawner kit, don't you?
No?
No? Oh, well,
You just
when
get
I
a
grabbed
spawn
it,
kill.
when I grabbed an egg for the first time, it said you now have the spawner kit.
Then how come you don't have the kit? Huh? You see you have no kits.
I don't know. It just said you now. I don't know. It said you've unlocked it. I don't know if I have to buy it now in the shop. But did you got the ladder? Where are you? I'm gonna.
I'm climbing to the top of the sky.
And I climbed up before you. Hello.
Because you can fly.
Just in front of you. Open up the chest. What's inside?
Efficiency 3x.
That's useless.
I know.
I mean, you could mine up this whole place so no one can kill you.
In 2 seconds.
Instant. In 2 seconds. Efficiency 3. It's useless. I got efficiency 5 in my survival world. I'm gonna jump down there and land.
You like
and
just
survive.
self-promote your own channel or something? You're just like, I've got efficiency 5 in my survival world. Check it out. Check it out. No. Self-promotion.
Don't check out my
Self-plug.
my survival series. It's really bad. I always talk really quietly. No.
Yeah, and you totally should watch because of how boring it is.
It is boring. I'm good at redstone-ish. I don't know. I do cool stuff on it. I'm planning to make the Iron Titan, which is an iron golem farm that creates a billion iron per second. I don't know. When I edit that, it's gonna sound really cool. I just know it.
It's gonna be like with an awesome
The
background
wonders of
noise.
Sony Vegas.
It's gonna be like background noise. Check this out. Check me out. I've got like full enchanted gear. There's
Cute.
some noob over here.
I'm gonna teleport to you in my sleep.
Oh, there's
Faster than you, lol. By the way, there's a chest below you.
and team.
No, I'm just lolling. Lolling. Get him! Yes! You got the first hit. He's gonna die. Yay! You got him. He's dead. Chest have been refilled. Go! Quick! No, up the ladder. Up top. I guess so.
You're both down there just like...
Okay, go. He's coming behind you, I think. Up the ladder, go! He has 2 hearts, yay. I can tell how many hearts.
How did he have 0 hearts and not die?
Oh wait, you can see the hearts as well, right?
Mhm.
He doesn't have anything useful there, does he?
Nope.
Once I got an efficiency 5 bow, and I was just about to hit someone, but it missed, and he had like 5 hearts on him, it would have killed him.
I got an achievement unlocked.
What is it?
Gapple. Spawn Blaze.
Spawn Blaze. Spawn it. Now. He'll protect you.
I know.
Come on, I'm wasting all my space watching you. I only have 30 gigabytes. There's a guy down there on the tree. You might want to shoot him.
I saw an end of hill.
Go! Get him! Get him! Yay, you're gonna win, I think.
Where's he?
Behind you. No! You're gonna die! No! And you did.
If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and wear the headphones of victory. I'll see you guys next time. I'll subscribe to this loser I'm doing something with.
Yeah, subscribe to this loser as well. This idiot who doesn't know how to play Minecraft.
Yeah, you,
subscribe to him. Woo!
you're talking about yourself again, aren't you?
No?
Okay, no, subscribe to this person who began the biggest series on my channel. I'm very happy.
I just noticed that this middle island is a turtle.
You just did. And there's fireballs flying at it. That's mean. Why would you want to kill the little turtle? Peace out. Say what?